In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your status active on Microsoft Teams. First things first, we need to navigate to Microsoft Teams. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to teams.microsoft.com. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in with your work or education account details. Go ahead and enter your username and password, then click on the Sign In button to proceed. With Teams now open and ready, we'll move on to customizing your status settings. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen, and there you will see your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu that provides several useful options. Within this menu, you'll notice an option labeled Status. Go ahead and click on that to reveal the status settings. From here, what you're going to do is click on Available. This will update your status to make sure you're marked as online and ready for work. However, simply setting your status to Available isn't enough if you're aiming to keep it active for an extended period. While still within the status settings, let's work toward making sure your availability doesn't time out. Head back to the Status menu, and this time select the option that says Duration. Clicking on this will allow you to take more control over how long you wish to appear online. Now that you've navigated to the duration settings, look for the Set Status After drop down and choose Custom. This option is particularly useful as it gives you the freedom to adjust both the date and time your status should remain active. Aim for a more extended period to ensure you appear consistently available. After setting your desired custom time, make sure to click the Done button to save these settings. But wait, there's more you can do to reinforce your availability on Microsoft Teams. In the same status settings menu, you have the option to set a status message. By typing in a message like Always Available, you provide additional clarity to your contacts about your work status. Don't forget to check the box that says Show when people message me. This will ensure that anyone who tries to reach out to you will also see your status message. Once all of these settings are in place, finish off by clicking the Done button one more time, and you're all set. Following these steps ensures that you effectively manage your presence on Microsoft Teams, keeping communication lines open and proactive. We hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your digital workspace.